Hello friends, in this video I will show you a very important Chrome setting. Turn it off and protect your privacy. Okay, let's see I show you how to turn it off. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.